Hi everybody, welcome back to another balloon tutorial. Today we're going to be twisting a 2-balloon bunny peep. As you can see right here, I have a few of them. Let me move out of the way just for a second. You can see they come in all different colors and they're pretty darn fast to twist. It's really cool, and the only marker I'm going to use to go with it is a black Sharpie, and that's to draw 3 dots. Yep, that's right. That's it. That's all for the drawing this time. So there it is right there. Okay, so 2 balloons. We have our white round that I blew up pretty much most of the way, and then half of a 260, but you don't need half of it. And then you can see, depends on which color you want. And then also, let's see what else before we actually get into the twisting. If you watch the bracelet videos from before, don't worry, I'll put a thing at the end here. You can link to that and check it out. You could definitely use a link for the bottom here and then make yourself a little bunny peep bracelet. So anyway, there it is right there, so you can take a good look at it. So let's go ahead and do the twisting. If you haven't subscribed to this channel before, now's a good time. I invite you to come over, check out some more videos that I have. I've been uploading like crazy, but that's neither here nor there. So the way I do my videos, like I said, let's get started. Twisting is I bring the sound down to minimize the squeaking and do voiceover, and that way we can maximize our teaching. In this case, this one's going to be pretty darn fast, and so that's kind of cool because then it'll be a shorter video. So alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. Again, let's bring that sound down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the white 260. The round is already blown up, so we don't have to do that. And so we're just going to measure off about a hand's width there. So about 5 fingers for yourself. And go ahead and match that up and go ahead and pull that nozzle through there. There you go. Definitely don't want to lose that. You know, you run into that sometimes, you forget to do that and it just comes undone on you. It's a real bummer. Alright, so anyway, I just grabbed the nozzle on the round and I'm just wrapping it around the that white 260, and I'm just going to pull the knot right through there. And so now what we're going to do is real simple. We're going to go ahead and make 2 1-inch bubbles. There's one, and there's going to be a second one. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap around back to that second pinch twist actually. See, I'm wrapping around the bottom of the ears that I made, and was wrapping into that second bubble. Now what happens when you do that is you create a pinch twist just like that without even trying, and you got yourself your little balloon peep. And now the only thing left to do is draw on it. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed a shorter video. Just like that. Told you, it's pretty darn simple, pretty fast. So that way, if you're looking to jam these little buddies out really fast, you sure can, no problem. So let me go ahead and go over the artwork really quick. Again, like I said, 3 dots. There's one there, and you can be as fast or slow as with with this as you want. Just depends. There's 1, there's 2, and number 3. There they are. You can see 3 dots for our little peep, our little bunny peep. So thank you guys very much for hanging out with me. I'm going to cut out here soon, but I just want you to be able to have something if you say, hey, St. Patty's Day is almost here and it's going to be gone. Soon it's going to be Easter, so I want to make sure that we have some stuff for you to go. And what I'll probably do is create a playlist also, so that way you can go check out some other stuff that I made and have fun with it as well. But more videos on the way. Again, if you like this, rate it, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Comment down below if you made it. Tag me in social media, Instagram, jlomagic1. And as always, if you want to support the channel, patreon.com/jlomagic. Don't worry, I put a description below. Anyway, let's go ahead and bring it to a conclusion. And I always thank you for being here. I really do. And I appreciate you hanging out with me. So until next time, happy twisting. Bye.